In an alarming development, Sita Government High School in Tengnoupal district has been shut after 70 students from the school fall sick due to outbreak of suspected vector-borne disease within a span of a week. This alarming development has led the school authorities to close the institution indefinitely, postponing the Teachers' Day celebrations that were initially scheduled. Initially, the affected students were brought to the primary health center, which is located at Tengnoupal district headquarters, about 18 kilometers from the school. However, due to the limited availability of bedside facility, many students were advised to continue their treatment at home. In response to the escalating situation, the Cookie Students Organization (KSO), in collaboration with the School Management and Development Committee (SMDC), made an urgent appeal to the Chief Medical Officer to deploy a medical team and to organize a free medical camp and to take necessary actions. As of now, Sita Government High School remains closed until the situation stabilizes, with the Teachers' Day celebration to be rescheduled once the crisis is under control.